All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. This is part 35. We're still working on system of equations, word problem with two unknown values. And so since we know the value of x equals 2y plus 5, it only makes sense, again, to use substitution method. I'm going to substitute that 2y plus 5 for the x right here, combine like terms, solve for y. So again, x equals 2y plus 5. So instead of an x, I can just substitute 2y plus 5 here. I'll bring down the plus sign, bring down my y, bring down the equal sign, I'll bring down the 23. Now, I want to combine like terms. I got a 2y and a 1y. That's an invisible 1y. There's a 1 in front of that y. If you're not familiar with invisible ones, check out my video on invisible ones, right? And so, hey, let's add like terms. What's 2 plus 1 or 2y plus 1y? That's correct, 3y. I'm going to bring down my plus sign, bring down my 5. I'll bring down my equal sign. I'll bring down the 23. Now it's a two-step equation. You could look at it this way. If y represents a real number, 3 times what number plus 5 would give me 23. And if you're having a hard time seeing that, then you're going to do inverse operations. Right? I want to get y all by itself. I got to eliminate the 3. I got to eliminate the 5 in order to get that y by itself. How can I turn that positive 5 into 0? That's it. I'm going to subtract 5, not just to one side of the equal sign, but to both sides of the equal sign. I got to balance out my equation. 5 minus 5, or 5 plus a negative 5, is 0. I'm left with 3y. I'm going to bring that down. Equals, I'm going to bring that down. 23 minus 5 is 18. So 3 times what number will give me 18? Now it's easier to see, right? But if you need to do the inverse operation, what's the opposite of multiplying 3 times y? Dividing 3 into 3, right? That'll turn that into a 1 invisible 1y, and y would be all by itself. What you do to the left side of the equal sign, you got to do to the right side of the equal sign. So 3 divided by 3 is the 1y. Y is by itself. 18 divided by 3 is 6. What does y equal? 6. All right, we're going to continue on with step number 2. If y equals 6, now we're going to substitute y equals 6 into either the original equation number 1, which we have here, or original equation number 2, which we have right here. Take a look at these two equations. Which would be easier to substitute? If y equals 6, I can substitute 6 for y. Which one? Original equation 1 or original equation 2 would be easiest to solve? Okay, so I chose equation number 2, and this is the reason why. In equation 2, everything's on the right side of the equal sign. X is all by itself on the left side. I don't have to do any manipulation other than multiply, right? So 2 times y. If y equals 6, I substituted 6 for y. What's 2 times 6? 12. I'm going to bring down my plus, bring down my 5. And what is 12 plus 5? 17. So x equals 17 and y equals 6. Now this is one way to write your solution, or this will be another way to write your solution. Does anybody know why I wrote my solution this way, where x is 17, comma, y is 6? In parentheses, it kind of looks like a ordered pair. So you can write your answer in either way, and if you've been following all of my parts of all of my videos and you're watching my graphing, then you understand the solution is where those two lines cross. Your x will be 17, your y will be 6. That is the solution, but we're not done. We're not done. We're not finished. Check it out. So I think you know, if you've been watching my videos, step 4 is required. You must check your answers, x value and y value, in both the original equation 1 and the original equation number 2. So x plus y equals 23. That's my equation number 1. And if x equals 17, I can substitute 17. Plus, plus. If y equals 6, I can substitute 6. Equals 23. Now I'm going to combine like terms. What's 17 plus 6? Yes, that's exactly it. 23. Does 23 equal 23? Yes, absolutely. That's a true statement. So far, so good. X has got to be 17 and Y has got to be 6. Let's check it out in equation number 2. Right here, so here's equation number 2. We got X equals 2 times Y plus 5. If X is 17, I can substitute 17. I bring down my equal sign, I bring down my 2. If Y is 6, I can substitute a 6 for Y. So that's 2 times Y, that's 2 times 6. Plus, plus, 5, 5. And now I'm going to simplify. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 5. All right, the 17 I rewrite, the equal I rewrite. 12 plus 5 is 17. Does 17 equal 17? That's a true statement. Yes, absolutely. X equals 17 and Y equals 6 is my solution. All right, so now that you've learned some new knowledge, skills, and abilities, you need to conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers on the following: solving 1 and 2-step equations, practicing using substitution property to simplify expressions and equations, practicing system of equations substitution method, practice with word problems, system of equations, easy, medium, and difficult. You absolutely can do this. Don't give up. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If you make a mistake, look at where you made the mistake. Learn from it. You'll get stronger and stronger and better and better. Don't quit. Don't give up. You can do this. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.